Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you are coming across a secure boot violation invalid signature detected on your Windows computer. So I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to have to get into our BIOS settings for this tutorial. So you might have different options for your computer, but for my computer I just have the escape key to access the boot menu. And I'm going to go ahead and enter setup, so I'm just going to use my arrow keys on my keyboard to go down to the enter setup option, and I'm going to hit OK guys. So now that we are in the BIOS, we're going to go ahead and select the setup default option. So in my case this is F9, so I'm going to tap the F9 key on the top of my keyboard. It's going to ask load default configuration now. While I'm highlighted over the yes option, I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. Some of you guys, you might have to go underneath a file tab as well, and you can also go underneath the exit tab as well, I believe, and that should also be able to load your default BIOS settings. So it just gives you guys a couple different options there. And once you know what that, just tap the key that corresponds to save and exit, which is F10 in my case. So save configuration changes and exit now. I'm going to hit the enter key over yes, and then just restart your system, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.